Hello and welcome back to my channel, The Math Professor. Today we are solving an IIT JEE problem. And the problem is if z equals x plus iota y and x squared plus y squared equals 16, then the range of the function modulus of modulus x minus modulus y is, and we are given with 4 options and it is a single answer correct question. To start with, we'll write the complex number in the polar form, which is z can be written as r cos theta plus iota r sine theta. And comparing the given number x plus iota y with this, we know that x equals r cos theta and y equals r sine theta. And x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. That means we are given with value of r squared, which is 16. That means r is 4, right? Now, we want to find the range of modulus x minus modulus y, which will be equal to modulus 4 times modulus cos theta minus 4 times modulus sine theta, and we can take out 4, so we are left with modulus cos theta minus modulus sine theta, which can further be written as 4 times square root of modulus cos theta minus modulus sine theta whole squared. And if you square the term inside the root, we'll get 4 times modulus square root cos square theta plus sine square theta minus 2 times modulus sine theta modulus cos theta. And we know that 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. That means we'll get 4 times square root of 1 minus sine 2 theta modulus. And we know that modulus sine 2 theta will always lie between 0 and 1, including 0 and 1. That means square root of 1 minus sine 2 theta modulus will also lie between 0 and 1. Multiplying throughout by 4, we'll get 0 less than equal to 4 times square root 1 minus modulus sine 2 theta less than equal to 4. That means the range of the given function is 0, 4, including 0 and 4. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, 0, 4. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you.